factors affecting liquid pressure. First one already we learned, that is a depth or height. Depth or height. Depth means depth from the surface. Height means from the surface only will measure surface of the liquid to down. As the depth increases or height increases, the liquid pressure will be more. Already we discussed by the experimenter. If you want to do another experiment also, you can do here. Take same size two funnels, two pipes, tie the same balloons to here. Now fill this one with 1 liter of water, or sorry, up to here. It will expand here. Second time you fill it with this one will expand more than that. That is that here more means size is increased, more means pressure is more. As the depth of the water increased, the pressure is also increasing. Am I clear? Next, so that's, listen, as the depth increases, liquid pressure increases. Means suppose if you go to a very simple way, you can understand that. Suppose you put your hand in, take a bucket of water and put your hand, you can feel that at the top you will also experience the pressure of the liquid on your hand. Bottom it will be more, down it will be, yes, bottom it will be more pressure you will feel, and as you will increase to the top, the pressure will be less. Clear? Otherwise, there is a device, yes. Next, because of this only, the dams, you know dams, water dams. Because of this, dams are wider at the bottom. Wide at the bottom because pressure is more. To resist that pressure, the base of the dams are wider than that of the height. Top wide to narrow it will be there because pressure up it is low. I hope I am clear. Okay, thank you. Next factor effect is that density of the liquid. Density of the liquid. Density of liquid. So density of the liquid. Suppose take same size two pipes. 1, 2. This here you feel it same height, up to same height you feel it water. You will observe that this will expand this much. Same height fill with coconut oil or coconut oil. Okay, not oil. This is H2O water. You will observe that this will expand more than this water. Why it happened? Which is denser liquid? Water or coconut oil? Coconut oil is denser. So that's why it exerts more pressure. Yes or no? Okay. These are the two factors. First is the depth, second is the density of the liquid. Affects pressure of a liquid at a place. At a place. Why I said this word at a place? There is a third factor also there, that is acceleration due to gravity. Acceleration due to gravity, that is G. So pressure, liquid pressure is equal to mgh. The formula is mgh. Not there in your syllabus, so I am not going. mgh I said, so wrongly said. H rho G. Sorry, H rho G. H I said height. Rho is the density of the liquid. G is the acceleration due to gravity. Understood? This is so first factor, depth increases, pressure increases, liquid pressure increases, density increases, liquid pressure increases. Lastly, G at a particular place, G will be constant always. As you will change the place, may change the G may change. This place means not within means within Raigada I am talking about. Suppose you will check in Raigada and you will go and again you will check in America or some other place where the altitudes are different. Okay, geographical altitudes are different, then the G will vary. But on Earth's surface, its value is taken approximately, G value is 9.8 meter per square second. Clear? So that's why you take it constant. So now two factors we discussed, density of the liquid and depth of the liquid. Suppose same liquid is there, then this one also becomes constant. Density constant, same liquid. So height, only the height will be the factor which determines the how much, which varies, with which the height varies. That's why when you, so suppose place is constant, suppose think about a big dam, there what happened, or big ocean, G is constant, water is constant, density also constant, then only left out height. As you will go deeper and deeper, you will feel more pressure. That's why deep sea divers has a special type of suit. If they will not wearing the special setup suit, then what will happen? They will go, as they will go to deep into the sea, what will happen? They will exit, the liquid pressure is so high that it will, the person may die because of the pressure. Am I clear? Okay. That is the one, that is the reason why, please. Okay. Okay. So the next point is that submarines made of thick. Submarines generally, if you will see submarines, that are made of thick sheet of metal withstand the pressure, because submarines generally pass a deep sea, inside the deep sea, that will be, say, the pressure of the deep sea is more and higher depth. That's what will happen. To resist that pressure, the submarines are made of, the wall of the submarines are made of thick.